Hi everybody, this is Gordon. We're going to do another problem set on solving for x. Here, the first problem, solve for x if 12 is equal to y times the quantity square root of 2x. The first thing we want to do is divide both sides by y. We get 12 divided by y is equal to the square root of 2x. And if we square both sides to get rid of the square root sign, we get 144 divided by y squared is equal to 2x. Solve this by dividing both sides by 2. The result is 72 divided by y squared is equal to x. And there's the problem. Our second problem, solve for x if 3x squared is equal to 6x. And we start by dividing both sides by x to get rid of the x squared. The result is 3x is equal to 6. And if we divide both sides by 3, we get x is equal to 2. And there's your solution. The third problem, solve for x if z is equal to x plus y divided by the quantity x minus y. The first thing we want to do is clear the denominator, so we multiply both sides of the equation by the quantity x minus y. When we do that, we have zx minus zy is equal to x plus y. If we subtract x from both sides of the equation, we have zx minus x minus zy, grouping like terms, is equal to y. And if we add zy to both sides, then we have all the x's on one side, all the y's on the other. Zx minus x is equal to zy plus y. We can pull the x out from on the left-hand side. X is equal to z. X times the quantity z minus 1 is equal to y times the quantity z plus 1. And if we divide both sides by z minus 1, we get our result. And we find x is equal to y times the quantity z plus 1 divided by the quantity z minus 1. And there's the solution. The fourth problem in this set, solve for x if 3 divided by the quantity x minus 1 is equal to 5 divided by the quantity x plus 1. We want to get rid of the denominators on both sides. So first we multiply by x plus 1 to clear x on the denominator on the right-hand side. And we get 3 times the quantity x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 5. And then if we multiply both sides by x minus 1, we'll clear the denominator on the left-hand side. And the result is we have 3 times the quantity x plus 1 equal to 5 times the quantity x minus 1. Distributing those in, we get 3x plus 3 is equal to 5x minus 5. We can subtract 3x from both sides to get 3 is equal to 2x minus 5. Add 5 to both sides. And we find we have, the result is 8 is equal to 2x. Divide both sides by 2. And our result is x is equal to 4. And that's it. The fifth problem in this set, solve for x if the quantity x plus 3 times the quantity x minus y is equal to z squared plus x squared. Multiplying out what we have in the parentheses first, we get x squared minus xy plus 3x minus 3y is equal to z squared plus x squared. We have plus x squared or positive x squared on both sides of the equation, so those automatically cancel out. And we're left with 3x minus xy minus 3y is equal to z squared. And we can rewrite that as x times the quantity 3 minus 3y is equal to z squared. Add 3y to both sides of the equation. X times the quantity 3 minus y equals z squared plus 3y. We divide both sides of the equation now by the quantity 3 minus y. And find x is equal to z squared plus 3y divided by the quantity 3 minus y. And there's your solution.